All right, you guys, what it do? What it do? What it freaking do? Your boy is back on the grind. One more time, your boy is back at it again, you guys. And I am going to keep this video fairly short because the title says, what does the title say? I don't even know. I already made a thumbnail and just forgot. But basically, we got the final polish, final shine on this thing. Well, I guess there'll be one more is when I actually re-clean the car again, wipe it all down, and give it like kind of its final little polish. But for the most part, it's good. All the areas that were, I guess, technically missed from a previous polish, my buddy came back, as you saw in the clips already. Came back, polished over it, and man, it is looking really good. So what I'm going to do here in a moment is flip this camera around and just show you like how good this car looks. And I would pull it out, but it is pouring rain right now. We're supposed to be getting hit hard with some rain here over the next couple days. Then we get a break, and then it's like a week straight of more rain. So we'll see. But anyways, it's looking really good, you guys. I'm really happy with the progress thus far in only just a few days that I've been working on it. Now that I have kind of more time to do that, it's coming along. And as you saw in the little clip where I kind of panned over the car real quick, there's some tape on the car right now, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a moment because I'm getting the car prepped for something real quick. But that'll be in a different video, but you'll get to see what the car looks like and its shine. I don't have the best lighting in here, but the lighting in here is okay, good enough for you to see. What I'll probably do is take down my hood lamp that's up here, and I'll probably just run it along the car as you guys are seeing it through my camera and panning along the car. But it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. And yeah, you guys, enough talking. Let me just flip this camera around and kind of show you guys what is up. If you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing now, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. Grimmer 23 in the building. Let's show you this final little buff and shine, and let me know what you guys think. All right, there we go, much better. All right, so car was painted, I don't know, might be a couple years ago now, and I've been kind of just piecing it back together ever since. This is actually I did pull it from a sample, but I have a little bit heavier metallic in it, so my buddy did his thing on it. You can see, and because of the heavy metallic and the type of paint it is, you can see kind of how it actually looks pearl-like a little bit because of that heavy metallic. And I think what it is, it's a heavy coarse metallic, so it's really thick. And man, that looks really good. But if you get really close on it, and the light's probably not doing it justice. Let me see if I can turn the light down a little bit. Okay, that's probably better. If I get really close on it, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it actually has like a rainbow, looks like a rainbow flake in there, but it looks pretty damn good, you guys. This is my front air dam, but it's painted, color-coded to match the car. You can probably see it a little bit better there. The heavy metallic in there. Everything on the car, like I said, it is all polished. Just some little things like there's some leftover tape from here masking. There's a little bit of compound still in like the creases and crevices and all that. And I just told him that I would just clean all that up. I mean, he hooked me up with doing probably a little bit more on the car than originally anticipated. And I didn't want him to kind of have it longer than he maybe technically wanted to, but look at that, y'all. Ooh. Wee. Get in the comments. Oh, now you can kind of see it a little bit. See, kind of has greens, blues, a little bit of like pink, red. Like, yeah, it's super dope. But the cool thing is from the distance, this looks kind of like a gray, but as you get closer and closer, it almost looks like there's like a hue-ish kind of goldish pearlish in it. And as you get a little closer, you can kind of see that metallic really pop. Yes, sir. Now this tape here is for my side molding that I'm going to be putting on here, and all the other tapes are for emblem placement. So again, that'll be in another video. But yeah, sorry you guys, not the best video, I know, but I really wanted to pull the car out, but I just didn't know when I'd have another opportunity to show you guys the paint on it and the kind of like the final polish. Now I'll be doing one more, because if you can see here, there's like a little bit of hazing there. That actually might be from when I had the clear protectant on it, so it left a little bit of sticky residue on there. But here's a shot without the light. Look at that reflection. Oh man, look at that reflection. Yes sir. But yes, you guys, get in the comments, let me know what you guys think. This thing is straight as an arrow. Again, my buddy did his thing on this. Check out the spoiler though. Big, or air dam, big mouth. Big mouth, big mouth. So this part goes into the intercooler. Helps to cool the intercooler. And this part will have a tube attaching to it back there, and that'll feed right into the intake. So that'll be super dope. But yeah, y'all get in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this polish job. Again, I know it's not the best video. I'll have to do a follow-up video when the car is all together, so you guys can kind of just see it. But he did his thing on it. It's great to know people. It's great to have a friend like him in this car game to get some of the things done to these cars that I personally need done. But if you guys can find a friend like that, you guys, make it happen. All right, y'all, so that's it. Again, a real quick video. I know it's not the best, but I wanted to get something out there to you guys in between the last video and this next one that's coming up, which is going to be, again, the emblem install and kind of what it looks like. Kind of what the car looks like with all of its jewelry on. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because I want to go ahead and get started on this. But if you guys are new to the channel, again, definitely subscribe now, hit the notification bell, all the good stuff. Y'all been 23 in the building. Shoot, I'm out of here. Time to get to work. Okay, peace.